This is Lokik, and you're watching Lokik's Metal Podcast. We are in Antisocial Lower Parel for Godless album launch gig, States of Chaos, and we have members of Carnage Inc., Navin, Malhar, Varun, and Nikhil. Guys, how are you guys doing?
Very well.
Good.
All fine.
Everything like vaccinated and stuff.
Yeah, we're all taking the shots.
Okay.
Apart from
So let's getting it hit immediately. Thrash metal warriors from Vasai. How it feels to recognized in the scene by this title.
I don't think anyone's called us that, but yeah, it sounds nice. Good. Yeah, I mean, first and foremost, band obviously from Vasai, and obviously we sort of led Sabotage and Bloodkill also to sort of come up and play their stuff. So yeah, it feels nice obviously to be the first to start this thrash thing. But obviously it's not like the first time anyone's played that music. So we are just following the path of the great big four. That's how we like to do it.
That's really remarkable stuff. Talking about the music, you have released Fury Incarnate in 2016 and Tenebrae in 2019, I suppose. So just let us know what exactly went in writing the entire music. Who writes the lyrics? Who is the center point of writing the entire song?
Yeah, that'd be me. But it's not like there's no one person who makes the shots. We jam a lot, we rehearse a lot whenever an album has to be made. So I bring most of the tunes, but they always like improvise, they put in their own stuff over that. So maybe they'll give us some ideas. Moin has a very prog sort of thing going for him. He's not here today. We have Malhar, by the way, who's subbing for him. He's from Sabotage. But yeah, Moin usually comes up with these prog licks or something, so that adds like a different edge. Navil will put in some melody, and Nikhil obviously has that whole death metal vibe, so he wants something heavy. So yeah, it's like everyone's individual thing coming in, and then we have this different sound. So yeah, I'm the one who writes it, but the band makes it come true.
We also have heard that you guys are into writing new material. So when can we anticipate that stuff to be up?
Yeah, actually we were going to put something out like right now, but since the gig came up, we have put that on hold, and we try to focus on the gig for the last 2 weeks. But once this is done, we are going to go back and start writing some new music. So one or two songs are almost like ready. We can start with that, but we want to maybe hope for a EP or something. So maybe we'll try for 3-4 more.
So moving on to the next question, what would be your motivational message, an inspirational message towards the new musicians, towards the new fans and stuff?
For fans, I don't know. We've been very grateful to have so many people still listening to us, and it's not easy to be in a metal band, as you know, with people leaving the band, with other priorities coming up. So I don't have any inspiration messages, but just to say thanks to everyone who listens to us, and for any young band, just to stick it. Hopefully, something positive takes, and you can just main is to have a great harmony and relationship with your own band members, so we can then the whole
That's really true.
and then I think so then everything comes easier. The core of the band has to be together, so then the writing becomes much easier. What I think.
Recently, we heard of sad demise of Rajshri Bhattacharya, and before that, in the last year, we faced this demise of Nitin Rajanjan. So, any message to the families, friends, and fans of metal music in general?
I think we are not in a place to give any such message, but yeah, we'll just say, I mean, our hearts go out to them. It's a very distraughtful place to be in. So
Absolutely.
So yeah, I mean, I just hope they get through this and they sort of get some positive news in the following days, and they can move on better in life. Yeah.
Also, my regards and my condolences to Mradul Singhal and Krishanu Bora's families as well.
Yeah.
So we were close to those guys as well. So it's a huge loss to the community. So I hope the families have some closure and they find some peace that they were loved in the community.
Well, thank you so much for your words, guys. And that was Carnage Inc. You can check out their material, Fury Incarnate and Tenebrae. And we might expect the new album soon to be released. And yeah, that's all for now. Thank you so much for the time, guys. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thanks.